Ensonga y'okukkiriza abavunaanwa okwewozaako nga bava bweru oba giyite bail kye kimu ku by'obuutikidde okujjukira emirimu egikoleddwa abadde omubaka wa Kawempe North mu kikolo ggwanga olukulu Muhammad Ssegirinya ku ssaawa 2:08 omulambo gw'abadde omubaka w'e Kawempe North Muhammad Ssegirinya gutuusiddwa ku Palamenti nga gwaniriziddwa omukubiza w'ekikolo ggwanga olukulu Anita Mung, kalaani wa Palamenti n'abaka abalala. Olutula lwa leero omukuza w'ekikolo ggwanga olukulu Anita Mung ayogedde ku mugenzi ng'omuntu abadde ow'enjawulo mu babaka era ajja kulwawo ng'ajjukirwa.
But God's timing is never our timing. He's no more. He's going to be with Allah. It's a sad day for us today as we bid farewell to Honorable Ssegirinya, whose remains are about to be brought in. The painful reality has now dawned onto us as brothers, as beloved colleagues, that death is so cruel and real.
Ekiteeso eky'okumusiima kireeteddwa omubaka Abdul Katuntu ng'ono ayogedde ku mugenzi ng'abadde ekyokulabirako mu bantu ba bulijjo era ng'asinga ababaka bangi abali mu Paalamenti.
During the COVID-19 pandemic and protection and promotion of rights of the less privileged Ugandans to access free to air television channels during the 2015 migration from analog broadcasting to digital platforms, now therefore be it resolved by this House as follows: that Parliament collectively conveys its deep condolences to the bereaved family, relatives, friends, and the people of Uganda for the loss of a distinguished citizen of this country.
Abadde bamukulira mu kibiina kya NUP okuli Joel Ssenyonyi awamu ne John Baptist Nambeshe nabo boogedde ku ki kye bakyajja kwerabira ku mubaka ono.
Where he continued to worsen each passing day. His lawyers made a plea and produced before court medical records signed by government doctors saying this man should be released on bail to go and get specialized treatment. The judge said, no, go back to jail. After a while, Honorable Ssegirinya was granted bail only for him to be abducted outside Kigo prison by gun-wielding men in plain clothes, in total violation of our country's laws. This disregard for the rule of law continues unabated in our country. And as we have witnessed, it affects all of us.
And I want to say it verbatim, that the greatest loss in life is not death, but that dies inside us while we are still living this curse.
Ababaka abalala abatali bamu nabo batambulidde mu bwofu bumu obw'okuvumirira abantu okumibwa bbeero.
I pray and I would like to address this to all politicians. Please let us not try to interfere with the works of courts of laws in using their discretionary principles in adjudication of court matters as regards matters of bail. Because bail is one of the rights, is one of the processes where people acquire a free and fair trial.
Of, revenge and retribution, this whole thing. And for me, that should not be part of our life. I'm glad the Honourable Minister for the Youth has made a commitment. I want to see you follow through that commitment. The hunting and hounding of the opposition must cease. The Honourable Ssegirinya had so many friends. And I want to thank his friends who stood with him in prison and hospital.
To drop the charges, but most importantly, to bail out all the political prisoners in prisons in Uganda.
That the right to a fair hearing entails a right to bail, because everyone is innocent until proven guilty. This man
after only 2 days, he started complaining of his chronic sickness that he had before incarceration. And he wanted to seek for medical attention in Germany because he was coming from Germany.
Our views are different. So on that issue of bail, it's an opinion that he has been holding, but if it was to be so at the end, it will come here, either through amendment of the constitution or the laws.
Oluvannyuma omugenzi asaaliddwa era nga esswala eno ekulembeddwamu Omubaka Asumani basaalirwa. Palamenti eyisizza ekiteeso eky'okuggyako buli mubaka wa Palamenti emitwalo 3 okumala omwezi gumu, era sipiika n'asuubiza okuweerako omwana omu ku baana ba Ssegirinya awamu ne minisita ku lisiba ly'omunsi. Omugenzi wa kusiikibwa Masaka ku Sande ya Sabiiti eno. Fight hard, Mr. Update. Fight hard, Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Yisa Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Oreggulo.